A few days ago, I saw a comment from CJ the Creative that really stuck with me. We legit casually are living in the future now. And you know what? If you stop and actually think about it, that statement hits harder than ever. It's not some distant sci-fi concept anymore. We have AI that can create art from a sentence, we see robots walking down the street and even fighting in boxing matches. And now the latest development pushes that futuristic feeling even further, as Alef's flying car is about to begin operations at Silicon Valley airports. They just signed agreements with two Silicon Valley airports, Hollister and Half Moon Bay, to begin test operations for the world's first real flying car. And we are going to tell you more about this, including flight safety and the features of this flying car. Alef is a company based in San Mateo and has been working quietly on this vision for almost a decade, and now it's turning into reality. Their creation, the Alef Model A, is a road vehicle that can also take off vertically like a drone. The company plans to begin with its ultralight version, known as the Model 0 Ultralight, and then expand into its more advanced models, including the commercial Model A. For now, the car will be integrated into real airport operations alongside existing aircraft. That means it will share airspace and traffic management with planes, marking one of the first real-world steps toward flying cars becoming part of everyday transport. Like I said before, Alef has been working on this for nearly a decade, and their goal is a consumer product that can handle driving on the road, vertical takeoff, forward flight, and landing, all seamlessly. What's a huge advantage for them right now is that their initial version is classified as an ultralight aircraft, which means they can bypass a mountain of legal certifications to get these early tests off the ground. Of course, that classification comes with restrictions, no night flights, no flying over crowded cities, but it's the perfect way to start proving the concept safely. The car itself is 100% electric, boasting a 200-mile driving range and a 110-mile flight range. The company even claims that on average, it uses less energy per trip than a Tesla. The CEO, Jim Dukhovny, frames it perfectly. Alef is first and foremost a car company using automotive infrastructure and business models. The genius is in integrating it into the aviation world. Safety and coexistence are the paramount principles governing these operations. A core tenet of the airport agreements is that traditional, crewed aircraft will always have the right of way. Alef's vehicle is required to yield in all situations. To ensure this, Alef is deploying a multi-layered safety strategy. The company will broadcast regular alerts to nearby pilots, informing them of the flying car's movements, both on the ground and in the air. This human-centric communication is augmented by technology. The vehicle is equipped with an advanced artificial intelligence-based obstacle recognition system designed to autonomously detect and track other traffic, providing a layer of digital awareness that supplements the mandatory team of human visual observers on the ground. This proactive and redundant approach to safety is fundamental to building the trust and collecting the data necessary to prove the viability of a true flying car. The company has already attracted massive interest, with more than 3,300 pre-orders for its flying car, which is expected to cost around $300,000. People can secure their place in line with a $150 deposit, or if they want to be bumped up in priority, they can put down $1,500. For a vehicle that seemed like science fiction just a few years ago, the idea that thousands of people are already lining up to own one shows how much excitement there is around this.